Hello everybody, my name is Soumya. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. And today reading is all about cancer. My reading is all about cancer today. So we'll see what is going on in your life, my Cancerians. Okay. So for your love life and career. So let's see what is there today during November. Angel Spirit, please guide me for Cancerians. What is there for Cancer at November? I got two cards. One is Ten of Cups. Other is Nine of Swords. Okay. I feel like someone wants a family with you. Like mostly they are not coming towards to you due to some uh, past situation or past related things in your head or in your life, whatever it is like stopping them to come towards to you. For most of you Pisces, it is like I am having a feeling like this person's family could be a reasons for not letting to come towards to you. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Cancerians at November? You or your person is in so much of heavy energies, guys. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Cancerians? You take one card. I feel they will communicate to you soon. For most of you, there will be a communication from your person. Surely, Cancer. Okay. It could be a marriage proposal for some. For some, it could be a offer of engagement or commitment. Someone will come to you very faster, guys, Cancerians. Okay, so keep note on that. Whoever this person is, firstly they are not coming towards to you because they are stuck right now. Secondly, they want to communicate to you but they are not able to. As I told, they are stuck in their third parties. So it is like that. And for let's see what is more for my Cancerian, and then we'll jump to your career guidance. What is there at November? Okay, I got three cards. Ace of Pentacles reverse. I feel this person is dealing with lots of financial issues for most of the Cancerians. So definitely they are not coming towards you. If your person is dealing with your financial issues or anything, please let me know on comment box. And this could be a fire sign or you could be a fire sign. You are dealing mostly with fire signs. Okay, Aries is very prominent here. More for most of you, this person could be a Sagittarius, and for most of others it could be a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo and Pisces. Okay guys, so this could be that. And for most of you, you could be pregnant for this person or they could have left over you behind leaving pregnant. For most of you, you could be a mother soon. Okay, this is for married women. And for most of you, you had some pregnancy issues in past. For most of you, not for all, but you are abundant lady. Soon you will get abundance. Okay, Pisces, it is like that. And for most of you right now, you are dealing on financial issues regarding your career. You are working very hard, or your person could work very hard, but you are working very hard regarding on yourself. You are right now Emperor and Empress. Okay, you are with your throne. Whatever you are doing, Pisces, this is your energy. You will be full of abundance now at November regarding your career and love life. Now I'll jump to your love, romance, and then we'll take another guidance for your career and love overall. Let's take another guidance for love for you, Cancer. What is there for my Cancer at November in love? Spirit, please guide me. Angel, please guide me. What is there for my Cancerians in love at November? Okay, as I told, there are many situations around you. There is some religious factor for some people. This is why this person is not able to take a stand for you. For some, this could be a motherly issues, or their mother could be involved in your situation. For others, it could be a financial issues, okay? But there are some particular factors which is affecting your love life. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path, okay? You must have been having fight because of your God and gurus and all whatsoever you think it is. Okay, take what resonated, guys. Take what resonate with you guys, okay? Because it could be a religious, for some it could be a motherly issues, for other it could be a person could have a children, or they could be a married in Pisces. But for most of you, I am having a feeling like this person is having a religious problem. For most of you, you can be a Muslim, Christian, okay, Hindus who are in love with the Muslims, or any sexuality. I don't take any gender in my channel, so you can watch my channel and subscribe it. What is there more? Okay, codependency, but it came reverse. I feel this person was very much dependent on you, but right now they are not depending on you. They will come to you, but by their independency. When they will become independent, they will definitely move towards to you, or you will. When you will be independent, you will go towards this person. And let's see what's more there. Very soon, but it came again reverse. So this person is doing delay to come towards to you guys, okay? Mostly for, I feel for you, this person is currently talking to you in present, but you guys are not taking action, okay? It is like that. They will come to you very soon for some, but for others, it will be a very delay in Pisces, okay? This is a general reading, guys. At the end, you will have a retreat. You will disconnect from world, and you might get engaged with this person. For some, there will be a commitment offer. Let's see what is there for our Cancerians in career and love. Overall, what is the energy? Okay, I already got 4 cards. Okay, angels are with you, Pisces, so you don't have to worry, okay? Everything will be alright, but there are some political issues in your love life, and there is politics, of course, religious factors. For some, there are motherly issues. For some other, like their relatives are talking behind your back and all. And for others, their friends are toxic. So be careful, Pisces. There is a politics behind your back with this person. Okay, and in your work too. I feel like you are holding on too much with money and your love, so you have to let go your money and love life. Okay, guys, your angels and your universe is saying you to don't hold anything right now. Just let go. Go with the flow. Don't stay in a guilt. If you had done anything bad, just forgive them and just go with the flow. You don't have to be in a guilt day and night thinking about them, that you did very wrong to them, or they did wrong to you. Why did they do this or that? You don't have to do. Okay, Cancer, at the end you have the isolation. So if you want to cry, you cry a lot. Don't make yourself like an ice. Okay, you don't need to be stone hearted. Just cry if you want to cry from inside, because having a guilt is better than, like, don't have a guilt, have a isolation is better than having a guilt day and night. If you had a bad past regarding anything, Pisces, just don't have a guilt. Just let go and cry, okay? And don't hold your past or anything, even a future. Just go with the flow and let go, okay, Pisces? So this was my reading for Pisces. Thank you, everybody. Hope you liked my reading. Do let me know on comment box that you really liked it and resonated with you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell button icon. Bye bye, everybody. See you on my next video. Bye bye.